Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video I will show you how to enable or turn on dark mode in the new Outlook. It is very simple, just follow these steps. Open the new Outlook on your computer. Go to the top right corner and click on the setting icon. From the left side panel, click on General. Now select Appearance. Under Dark Mode, simply choose Dark. And that's it. Your new Outlook will immediately switch to dark mode. Click on Save. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.